Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets for Wednesday the 26th of March. The chart I'm going to look at now is euro dollar, and certainly the euro was impacted by the comments out of the ECB yesterday from Draghi and Weidmann, suggesting that perhaps additional stimulus measures, i.e. potentially QE or negative interest rates, that would put a downside bias on euro, and I think that is now beginning to filter through. And certainly I think that chart, this is the daily chart, this is an outlook that I think is going to be developing over the coming days, not necessarily immediately. I think you've got this broken uptrend now. We had this uptrend in place, and that's now been broken. You're also under this 21-day moving average, which is the green line, which provided the basis of support through February and March. Now the basis, I think it's going to come the basis of resistance. I still think that you've got this this top pattern in play here, the $1.3832. I think that continues to be the case, and I'll show you in a minute on the intraday chart that top pattern looks more prominent, but I think these momentum indicators continue to look corrective. The MACD lines are just drifting away. Stochastics are sort of camping in the below the 50 line, so that would suggest that they're sort of in negative configuration. And the RSI is falling away, so I think this this chart remains corrective. I'm still expecting a move back towards this $1.37 mark ultimately, and I'll show you why in a minute. This is the intraday chart. I think a head and shoulders top pattern there forming. You've got the resistance band between $1.3832, which was the ultimate breakdown of the low on the 11th, and $1.3840. So anywhere around there, I think, is acting as resistance to the pullbacks, and it seems to be the case throughout the last few days. I mean, if you just sort of arguably you can just ignore that or just put that aside, this spike higher that was seen on Monday, but other than that you're still seeing resistance coming in around $1.3840 for the euro, and I'd use any sort of moves higher into that sort of $1.3830 to $3840 mark as a chance to sell this, as I still think that the overriding impact on this chart is this top pattern. You've got the euro, which had been using the 200-hour moving average as the basis of support through that part of March, is now becoming the basis of resistance. That's at $1.3850. So I think that we need to be watching out for any sort of rallies as a chance to sell on this chart, and I think there's going to be consistent pressure back towards that $1.38 38.50 mark, and ultimately back towards $1.37, which is the target from this top pattern. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on the euro, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.